Wondering how to clean your TV screen without leaving smudges or causing damage? Here are some quick tips to get your TV screen clean. 1. Use a delicate microfiber cloth to clean a TV screen. Microfiber towels don't scratch screens. To remove dust, smudges, and fingerprints, gently wipe the screen in circles. Paper towels and abrasive materials damage screens, so avoid using those on your TV. 2. Use an electronic device-specific screen cleaning solution for harder stains or smudges on your TV screen. Wipe the screen with the microfiber cloth and a little solution. Avoid spraying the screen directly with the cleaning solution and follow the instructions on the product label. 3. Avoid strong chemicals like ammonia, alcohol, and other abrasive cleaners when cleaning your TV screen. These compounds can permanently destroy the screen's protective covering. Regular maintenance requires gentle cleansing with a microfiber cloth dampened in distilled water or a moderate, screen-safe cleaning solution.